Want a more stylish selfie in seconds? Let Gemini AI do the heavy lifting. Here's the original: flat light, cluttered background, hesitant pose. First step, clean the frame. Move subject off-center and simplify background. Second step, flatter the light. Use soft side lighting or a diffuse window. Now open Gemini AI. Choose Portrait Enhance and pick the Scribble Premium style. Quick settings: warmth +12, contrast +8, texture -20. Save as a new draft. Watch as Gemini refines skin tone, sharpens eyes, and rebalances color. Swap backgrounds: subtle studio gray or moody city dusk for a premium vibe. Use the composition tool, crop tighter, tilt micro adjust, keep negative space left. Compare before and after, split screen reveal with smooth scribble transition. Final polish: apply grain at 8%, vignette -10%, export at high quality. Ready. Share your styled selfie. Try Gemini AI now and tap follow for more.